Right, the FT767GX. Again, I wanted to show you what I did with the fan. This is the original fan and its motor, and they're renowned for being noisy. Various ones I've heard them making quite a racket. This is where it went originally, across there with this bracket. The bearing seems to go in the thing. That's that way around, I believe. There we are. Fits in across the heatsink. That was its original position, because I've put a computer fan in there. Now, I have tried to wire the computer fan into the plug that the original came out of, and which is controlled by a heat sensor of some description. So it varies the speed according to the amount of heat dissipated. I have just tried to do that with this motor, and it doesn't like it. It doesn't seem to want to let it go. If it got very hot, maybe it would kick off, but I can't rely on it cooling enough. It may be that it gets too hot, does damage before it actually gets going. So I'm going to stick with what I've got, which is wired directly in. But as I said, I did have to put it's a very powerful fan, and although I don't think it withdraws any more actual current than the other one, it seems to be far more efficient. So this is actually stuck in to the base, into the heatsink, with some glue, Evo stick or something like that. And then, because it was running far too fast, and because I was getting chirps on the receive, I put a ceramic resistor on the outside so that I could make adjustments. Now, okay, bit of a pain having that, but it wires in. It looks quite bad. It doesn't look too bad at all, and it does mean to say that I can adjust it, because now it is a fixed speed fan. So I have to keep an eye on the heat, but I mean it's running well within its limits, I'm sure. But anyway, the alternative is to get another one of these, and well, I don't think they're really available. I have even tried repairing it and greasing it, trying to get the noise out of it, to get the rattle out of it, but without any avail. But you can see, you know, that the computer fan is a better design and a lot less noisy. So there we are. I should now attempt to put this thing back together again and see if my ATU works properly. Let's see what happens. See you in a bit.